Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepika Aldu here, and today I'm going to film a beauty haul. It's been quite a time since I've actually done a beauty haul. I have kind of restricted myself not to buy a lot of stuff. So I recently went to Mumbai. If you guys are following me on Twitter, Instagram or Snapchat, you guys already know that. So if you're not, then go follow me there. I'm really active and you guys can get to know what I'm doing in a day to day. So I hope you guys do follow there. Let's get started with this. I haven't really bought a lot of makeup stuff because I already get that anywhere, like even in Chennai or online. So I bought things that I may not get here. So you will kind of see some brands which you may not have heard. This is by Beauty Center, New Beauty Center. This is in Khar. If you guys are living in Mumbai, you should definitely check it out. Or any other beauty centers in Mumbai. There are quite a few bunch in Andheri and western side. So you'll find really good stuff there, and also they do give discounts. So it's a really good thing. So let's get started with this. As I said, I don't really have a lot of makeup items, so let me just finish with whatever I have. These are two concealers from Kryolan. Kryolan is basically a professional makeup brand. You do also get it in Chennai, but I was anyways there and I found this, so I didn't want to let them go. This is their concealer for day-to-day use. It's for 200 rupees, I guess. Yes, it's for 200, and you get like a sample size. I don't really know how much you get. 1 second. Yeah, the shade is FS45 if you guys are interested in checking this out. I've tried this out and it is quite good for like everyday use. It's really easy to blend in, and also it is quite good coverage. So I really like that, and I'm still trying. Yeah, you get 4 ml, and I mean, first when I saw this I thought it's really tiny, but once I started using this, a little goes a long way, so you don't need a lot. And I think this tiny pot will last me for at least months. The second concealer is from their Dermacolor range, and this is pretty high coverage, as the salesperson was telling me. It's mostly like party wear or some functions where you want really high coverage. And also you get in a really small pot like this, and I think this retails for about also you get 4 grams in this, and it retails for 350 rupees. So these are like pretty inexpensive and really good concealers. I haven't really started using this, so I don't really know if it's really good for everyday use or is it just only for function purposes. I might do a review on both of these together. If you guys want that, please comment down below. And also the shade is D64 in the Dermacolor range. This is a perfect match. I mean, I would maybe prefer a little lighter shade, because for concealing you always should use a color that's lighter to your skin tone, not the exact color. So I'm definitely gonna check this out, and I'm thinking I'll really like this. The next product is the Miss Claire Lip Creme, and there's a story behind this. I really wanted to check out Miss Claire products as well as Sivana colors. I was really looking forward to the Sivana color shimmer bricks. I heard this from Devashri that they're really good, but when I went there and asked her, she was like, we do not stock Sivana colors anymore. So I'm really sorry, and I was like, oh, disappointed. So I was like, at least give me some Miss Claire lip cremes, and she gave me like 2 shades, and that's it. I was applying it and this fell down from my hands and it broke, so it has like a slit where product is coming out, so I'm really disappointed. This shade is 12. It's really beautiful shade. It's kind of a magenta purple shade, which looks so flattering, especially on our skin tone. You should definitely check this out because it's a lovely color. I'm pretty sure that you guys will like it. I always wanted to check out a pair of eyelashes. I have never really used eyelashes till now because I have pretty good eyelashes as it is. At least I think so, and I've never had the use of putting on fake eyelashes. So I really wanted to check them out. So I found this brand that's called Artematic USA. So I wanted to, because these lashes are really pretty, I wanted to check them out. And I also got this eyelash glue. This is by brand and I think this is pretty popular in India, at least because I've seen this quite a lot of times in a lot of beauty shops. So I'm really excited to try them out. And I got two hair related products. This is basically a hair wax by Gatsby. This is their Tough and Shine hair wax. When I like have a really high pony with sleek this thing, I always have flyaways, which I don't like. So instead of always putting on hairspray, which really like flattens and sometimes is not that appealing, so I wanted a hair wax and I found this. The counter person said this is really good for flyaways and baby hairs, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out when I have like a really good hair updo or something like that. This is the second product, guys. This is basically a hair color. It's the shade in burgundy and it's by the brand Cleo Pro. The person was like, this is a really good brand, it's an imported brand, and people are really giving really good reviews about this. So I thought of checking it out. I've been really into hair coloring lately. I started out last year like baby steps of highlighting my hair. 2 weeks back I colored my hair with Godrej, this small sachet that you get for 30 rupees. I took the burgundy and I colored my hair like small highlights, and from here and down. Not really give a lot of color to my hair. I mean, like this you won't really be able to notice any color, but when I'm in like a really good lighting, like studio lights or maybe sunlight, it literally shows. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying a second go at burgundy. Then I got makeup brushes, and quite a lot actually. So it's been quite a while since I've invested in brushes, and I've heard that Beauty Center has really good cheap and good makeup brushes. So I wanted to check them out, and some are very basic and some are really good that I would definitely recommend you guys to check them out. 3 basic brushes that I think everyone should have in their makeup kit. This is an eye groomer. This is very useful for separating your eyelashes or shaping your eyebrow. It's really good. It was really cheap also. It was like 50 bucks or something. And this is by the brand Ocean Professional. Then this is a spoolie, which I think is really handy. This is by the brand Unique Style and it's the number 41. It's a really good quality spoolie and everyone should have a spoolie basically. Then I have a lip liner. This is also again by Unique Style, and yeah, it's basically called a lip liner. And I'm really liking the fact that they give a clear cap so that when you have like lipstick and you don't have the time to clean your brush, it's secure and does not collect dust on top of it. So I really like this. Though they're really affordable and cheap brushes, they're like really good quality. The handles like really sturdy and strong, and even the bristles are really good quality, soft and firm. If you're someone who's just a beginner and loves dark lips like red lipstick or like dark grape wine lipsticks, this is your best friend. 5 kind of professional makeup brushes that anyone who loves makeup should definitely own, or like this one, everyone should have it. Even if you're a beginner, this is a brush which should and must have in your makeup kit. It's basically a fluffy brush, blending brush, and this one's like really fluffy. It's like Max really fluffy blending brush, I don't know the number. Really soft bristles and it's of amazing quality. It's by the brand Brushman, which is I think a really professional brand. These products were a little expensive. I think this one was quite cheap, but it was like 200 rupees. And this is basically, it's written as eye brush, that's it, but it's a really good brush. And just the handle itself is so sturdy that you can just say that it's a really good quality brush, and really looking forward to using this. Then I have this kind of domed brush to have like a precise application of dark colors in my outer eye line. So I'm really looking forward to this. This was a bit expensive. It was about 250 or 300. Third eye brush. This is basically a eye smudger. When you want that kind of sexy smoky eye, this is your best friend. It's by Vega and it's pretty affordable as well. I think it was like 50 to 100 in between that. So all the description, like the names, numbers and prices will be down in the description box. So definitely check that out. And also this is something that I'm really looking forward to using. After I use it like thoroughly, I may put up a video in the future like doing a tutorial on how to use it properly. So if you guys want that, comment down below. These are the last 2 brushes. This is basically a concealer brush. This is again by Unique Style and it says Pancake Brush Flat. It's a very small but a really lovely brush. It has such soft bristles. I fell in love with it already, and this is, I think, really useful for concealer blending. It's the right shape and size so that you can really get into the inner corners as well, and it also has like a small dome kind of end, which really helps you to get in the inner corners and as well as the really interiors of your eye. So I really like to use this for the concealer, and also it's really useful for going around your, what do you call that, like the corners of your nose, I guess. So, and this is the last one. This is basically a fan brush. This is also by Unique Style, and it's the number 28. I've always wanted a fan brush. I haven't owned one till now, and this is again really good quality brush. And I don't really know how I'm going to use it a lot. I'm really excited to use this with a highlighter just to highlight my cheekbones and stuff. So let's see what I use it for and how I use it. And also I really like the fact that it comes with this protector. Once you are done with using it, you can directly slide it in and it holds its shape, and I really like that. It also prevents your brush from getting dirty. So yeah, that's about it. That are all my brushes, I guess. They were quite a lot, I know, but I really went out with the brushes. I wanted to get a lot more, but I was really running out of time. I had to catch my flight, which I would have literally missed in like 5 minutes if I had been 5 minutes late. So yeah, the last thing, I'm still not finished. The last thing are these packs. I mean, lately I've been really loving these face packs or masks, I guess what you call them. I went to this beauty shop in Chennai and they had this. This was not the same brand. They had another brand, but they were like 20 rupees each. So I picked up like 3 random ones, whichever they had, and I've loved them. I mean, my mom has also used that and she also loves them. So I'm really excited to try them out. These were like 15 rupees each. So I picked up like 6 or 7. I mean, whatever flavors they had, I picked up one from each. So these are all the ones, and I'm really excited to try them out. And I mean, they're really cheap. I don't know what harm they can do you. So I'm really excited to try them out. They're pretty different flavors. As you can see, you barely can understand what's written on them because I don't even know if it's Chinese, Japanese or what language this is, but they are really good in making makeup and skincare products. Chinese or Japanese people really know what they're doing when it comes to makeup and skincare. So I think these will work out really nicely. They're really relaxing as well. So I'm really excited to try them out. And yeah, that's about it for today. I hope I did not ramble a lot and you guys enjoyed and kind of got an idea what I got and what you guys can maybe try out next time when you go to a beauty center. I think they also have like an online site where you can order stuff, but I don't think like you get a lot of variety like this when you go to their store. So yeah, definitely check them out if you're in Mumbai. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, do like and share this video if you like this, and also subscribe to my channel. I also have a lot more videos coming up in the future. I hope you guys are enjoying. If you have any other requests, put them down below. So that's it for today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram, and also subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. Bye bye.